Automatic conveyor belt. Motorbike washing. A breakthrough in vehicle cleaning technology. Go&Go is not just an automatic motorbike washing machine. It represents a revolutionary leap in motorbike cleaning technology. The automatic conveyor belt system smoothly moves the bike from one end to the other without human intervention. Throughout the process, high-pressure nozzles and coordinated brushes work together to thoroughly clean everything from the wheels and body to even the most hidden corners. Customers will notice the difference from the very first wash, as their motorbike emerges not only spotless but also meticulously cared for, down to the smallest detail. If you're interested in our automatic motorbike washing system and would like detailed consultation, feel free to leave a comment or contact Go&Go for support. Goodbye, and we look forward to serving you.